Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and doing well. I am Saman Ijaz, your English instructor, and this video lesson is for grade 3. So student, in the previous part of this video, we learned about time and earth. We learned that our earth is divided into 24 time zones. So today, first of all, we are going to discuss our vocabulary words. Now our vocabulary words include the highlighted words given in the text as well as words in context. So first of all, let's have a look at our vocabulary words. Our first word is hour. Hour is basically a measure of time. There are 60 minutes in an hour, whereas 24 hours make a day. Our next word, minute. Minute is also a measure of time. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Month. One of the 12 parts of a year. Our month is about 4 weeks. Our next word, multiply. Multiply means to add a number to itself a certain number of times. Our next word is orbit. Orbit means to move around something, as our Earth is moving on its orbit around the Sun. Our next word is second. Second is also a measure of time. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Our next word is spin. Spin means to turn around quickly, to turn around something very quickly. Next word, time zone. One of the 24 areas that the world is divided into. Each area has its own time. Moving forward, our next word is year. Year is a period of 365 or 366 days from January to December. That is from 1st January to 31st December. A year has 12 months and 52 weeks. So students, these were our highlighted words. Now moving towards our words in context. Our first word is axis. Axis is a straight line by which a geometric figure rotates, as our earth is spinning on its axis. Our next word, planet. Planet are large celestial bodies that are revolving around the sun. Our next word is accurate. Accurate means free from error. Our next word, opposite. Opposite is something as different as possible. As we say, we are completely opposite. That means we are completely different from each other. So students, these were our vocabulary words. Now moving towards our page number 72 of Oxford Discover Student Book. So here we have got the understand part. Comprehension. First of all, we have got our think portion. Think about the article. What was the most interesting? What did you learn? Now, the most interesting thing about the article was the time zones, as it was a totally new concept. I learned that our Earth has been divided into 24 time zones. Here you have to think and give your own opinion. What was the most interesting thing to you? Part A. Multiply to find amount of time. Talk about your answers with your partners. As we can see, we have been provided 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 week is 7 days, whereas 1 year has got 12 months. Moving forward, 4 minutes. Now as we know that each minute has got 60 seconds, so we are going to multiply 4 with 60 to get the answer to 40. Next one is 2 hours. 1 hour has got 60 minutes. So we are going to multiply 2 with 60 to get our answer 120. Next we have got 3 days. We have to convert them into hours. 3 weeks, we have to convert them into days. how many days are in 3 weeks. And last we have got 4 years. We have to convert them into months, that how many months are present in 4 years. Part B. If you didn't have clocks or computers, how would you tell time? If you don't have got clocks or computers, we can tell time by looking at the sun. We can see if the sun is high, it is the noon time, and then sunset, it's about 5 pm or 7 pm, according to our time zones. Moving forward towards our part C. Words in context. Read the sentences from Time and the Earth, then circle the correct answer. So here we have got 3 sentences. Let's read them. So, today we know that the sun doesn't move around the earth. The earth turns or spins on an imaginary line called an axis. As the earth turns, the sun seems to be moving across the sky. An axis is a planet, an imaginary line, the sun. As we have read in our text, axis is an imaginary line. So we are going to circle an imaginary line. Second, to be very accurate, it takes the earth 365 days, 5 hours, 49 minutes and 12 seconds to go around the sun. Accurate means correct, not correct, funny. Now accurate means something that is totally correct, free from error. So we are going to circle correct. Third, when it is 10 am where you live, it is 10 pm on the opposite side of the world. In 2 hours, it will be noon where you live, but on the other side of the earth, it will be 12 at night. The opposite side is the same as the morning, the evening, the other side. Now opposite side is same as the other side, something that is as different as possible. So we are going to circle the other side. So students, this was all about our video. I hope all of you are able to attempt all the exercises given on page number 72. Students, I will meet you next time with another very interesting and amazing video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.